new Disney vlog!
Hello! So we just had an incredible meet and greet.
Incredible.
With Spider-Man. And now I don't know what we're going to do.
Should we check the wait times?
Yes. So we didn't think we'd be doing this, but we're going to be watching Mickey and the Magician.
One of our favourites.
Come in, Mickey.
Wow! C'est incroyable!
Welcome to my workshop, Mickey.
Salagadou, la Mexicapou, le bibidi-babidi-bou. Mélangez tout ça et vous aurez quoi? Bibidi-babidi-bou. Non, c'est du tout de me now, dear. Avec moi. Bibidi-babidi-bou.
Come quickly, we must prepare the banquet.
De quel banquet parlez-vous? Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Mesdames and messieurs, the kitchen staff proudly request the honor of your company. Please accept our invitation and be our guest. Look at that! Voila! Oh la la! Yes! Tonight, rock your feet up the flowers, seek up your gas, be our gas, be our
Tu peux soit le fuir, ou tout en apprendre. Il n'y a rien, pas une tache. Une tache! Oh non!
Does it feel good to be at the fair? Like it's your restaurant and of your own recipe. Don't whisper what it is you want to win. Never had a friend like me. Oh my, no, 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 no. Can your friends do this? Do your friends do that? Can your friends hold this? Now the little head. So tell me now, monsieur.
I'd like more hugs. Who are you?
Je m'appelle Mickey. Et un jour, je deviendrai le plus grand magicien du monde. Dès que j'aurai trouvé ma magie.
A magician? Wow, I love magic. It's my favorite. No, wait. I love summer more. No, magic.
Don't let them meet, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. But now they go. Let go, let go. And all the words like the break of dawn. Let go, let go. Let the magic Merci, monsieur le magicien. À bientôt.
Did we say we watched Mickey and the Magician?
No?
No.
Well, we said we were going in.
Oh, that was a proper treat because I didn't think we were going to get to see it this
Yeah,
trip.
we had really good seat as
I
well.
didn't realise there was a show so late,
No, I didn't realise it was going to be on that late. I thought they'd all been done for the day.
but it was magical. We got a really good seat as well, and
Yeah.
it's always good.
I loved it. The characters, the songs, performances.
What's your favourite one?
Great. The genie bit is always
Genie, yeah,
very special to me because I love that song.
Yeah.
So, not a long line for Cars road trip. We feel like we've got to do it every trip though. Yeah. So one of the aspects I do love of this area is the music. So currently playing is Johnny Cash, One Piece at a Time.
xxxx. Here's a full of crazy beautiful things. Ciao!
This canyon is so beautiful and calm. Seulement en apparence.
Oh, that's nice.
Avec ma tour à fioul. C'est un petit bout de Paris qui est garé au bord de la route 66.
So great, we can all experience this together.
We're going to try our trick again. It is, yeah, it's nearly 10 to.
We're going to hit it at the same time, so if this works again, then we'll let you know, because
Yeah.
that probably means that
It's a good time to go.
happens,
It's really cold now. Got Captain America up top, Loki, Thor. It's the same time as yesterday, isn't it?
And then I think you can just see Guardians of the Galaxy dancing away. There they are. I love it. It's just so much happening, isn't there? Even like 10 minutes before it closes.
Yeah, that was definitely, I think, half past that.
Yeah. But we managed to get a good photo with Captain America up the top. But about 5 minutes to go, and then Web Slinger's going to close. So we're going to join the queue. It's saying 40 again. I feel like it said 40 yesterday. So we will time it again and let you know.
Les Spider-Bots continuent de se répliquer et dévorent tout ce qu'ils trouvent sur leur passage. Anéantir le campus des Avengers. Mais bon, attendons de voir, rien n'est perdu. Bon, nous devrions être en sécurité jusqu'à l'arrivée de Spider-Man tant qu'il ne plonge pas dans le fluide extraterrestre. The Spider-Bots are getting out of control. We need Spider-Man now. J'active les protocoles de niveau de risque. Salut, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Vous avez un problème de rapide? Je vais vous aider. Te voilà, super. Le risque a atteint le niveau dangereux.
Oh, blimey. I feel like Kermit when he, you know, when he like screams and he just waves his arms around. So I actually did worse than the other day. So 172, 156.
You gotta know what like the good ones are. I don't know what they are.
Yeah, I don't know either. Because it's got them listed down here, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Different spiders.
I think they're the tops. They might have to go in order maybe.
Yeah.
I'm hungry now.
I just feel like I'm going.
At the end, I'm literally like this.
So yeah, we do. Yeah, there's different ones that we think are worth different scores. But like, how do you have time to notice which ones are which?
Like when we looked at the end, if you look across the different coloured crabs, well not crabs, but
The spiders.
Spiders are different points. So like there's one which is 6,000. It's like a gold spider. But yeah, we haven't mastered that yet. I'm literally like,
No.
the
So we're gonna head over now to Disneyland Park, but it's dark. So the plan is to try and conquer a few rides here in Discoveryland that we're not been able to do yet.
We're hoping whilst people start getting ready for the fireworks, it might ease up a little bit.
Yes. So we will keep you posted. They're having some sort of private function inside Cafe Hyperion.
We did see a drum kit on stage yesterday.
Yeah. There's a big sign up there. There's Walt Disney
Legacy Awards.
First on our list, Star Tours. The adventure continues. Mandalorian set of characters playset. Darth Vader just won't leave us alone. He was trying to get us again. So we've run out of time. So we're not going to be able to do Buzz Lightyear or Hyperspace Mountain, but fingers crossed we can get those done tomorrow before we have to leave.
Hoping extra magic time. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. But we're gonna head now. We got Hunter's Grill.
Sequoia Lodge, our favourite hotel. I say this is our favourite hotel. Literally, I have about 5 favourite hotels.
All of them. But yeah, I'm excited for food. The last food we had was
We shared.
Yeah. And we haven't. Oh, did we have a snack? What did we have?
We had a beignet.
Oh, we had a beignet. But we haven't had a snack since. Helena has just chosen what movie we're going to watch when we get back to the hotel.
The Princess Diaries, because every time we walk through outside the hotel, they're playing the Princess Waltz from it. Mia Thermopolis, Queen of Zenobia.
Also, it's not just me, is it? But I definitely heard that there was rumours they were going to make a third one.
Yeah, I think there was.
I don't know how, whether that is going forward or whether they stopped it.
I'm not sure. Hopefully, that'd be amazing.
Because I only watched them
recently.
a couple of years ago. And yeah. And
I haven't watched the second one that much, to be honest. I've watched the first one loads of times.
And
the second one I've only seen a few times.
I did enjoy them. Helena's just put an idea in my head about grabbing an early sandwich before we leave tomorrow.
I need to remember what ones we've tried so that we can try some others. What was our favourite one? We were like, that is like...
I like the one with the pineapple in.
Yes. Is it ham and pineapple?
I can't remember. But is there
I need to look through the menu again.
Is there an avocado one?
Yeah, I think so. But I remember I had one last... Well, we can watch the vlog.
Yeah.
I had one.
Tuna one? Tuna one's nice.
I had one and we were both like, that's the best one so far.
Yeah, I had the barbecue type one.
I feel like it was the last trip.
What Spider-Man?
Like Spider-Man pumpkin.
Oh yeah. Oh, Hotel New York, the art of marvel. I'd love to stay there someday. That sort of was like half the tune of My Way, and then just it tailed off.
And Martyn's haven't got a night one.
Gonna get a night photo with Iron Man. Hotel Cheyenne. It's just that way. Helena's spotted another pumpkin. What character's on the front of this one?
I'm gonna guess Chip and Dale. Who are you gonna guess?
Goofy. We were both wrong.
Bambi.
It's Bambi.
That's cute.
So this is it. Hunter's Grill. And it's just as you enter. Who's behind the menu? So they had quite a selection.
Yeah.
So I've gone for some salady bits. I think sausage and red bean salad, coleslaw, some salmon, some brie, some egg, and then
I've got salad, mozzarella and tomato, cold meats, couscous, lots.
I missed out on the cold meats. I'll have to go back. So I found the mozzarella and the tomato. This is, I think it's mushroom ravioli, spinach, chicken nuggets, potatoes.
Got some beef, green beans, some pasta, a nugget, a tiny little, I only got this because it was so cute, a Mickey potato.
Dessert time, went for pistachio and red fruits cake thing. Fruit, 30th mousse.
I've got a crepe of chocolate fruit. This is like a hook mousse, and then I'm not actually sure what that is.
It's choco-filled hazelnut.
Oh gosh.
Something like that. That was lovely.
Scrumdiddlyumptious.
Diddlyumptious. And I'll say it again, I'm suitably stuffed. There was a lot of choice there, and I had to keep going back for more.
We had a few what do you call it, rounds.
Yes.
But we were hungry because we hadn't eaten.
Yeah.
Since about midday. But yeah, it's really, really good, and it's always lovely to just be in Sequoia Lodge and chill, and yeah, it's a really nice atmosphere in there.
It is. So we're going to walk back to the car because the car is in the car park.
After our petrol this morning.
Yeah, so we're going to walk back to the car and then drive back to Hyde Park, and hopefully we can find a parking space.
And then a Princess Diaries and a cup of tea.
Yes.
I
just had a wild, mad idea. Right, so you know how you've got these statues of the different Marvel characters? Imagine if you had one that was of Ant-Man and he towered over the top of the Art of Marvel.
That'd be terrifying.
And look down, because obviously he can make himself go very, very huge.
You just have a tiny Ant-Man by the front door. Teeny.
Yours is probably easier. And we're back. Stick the kettle on. And we're back. Stick the kettle on. Princess Diaries on the TV. But what I want to do first is double check Winnie the Pooh, because he's been in my bag all day. So I need to check on him. Oh, I mean, he's very well wrapped up, so it's like pass the parcel. Yeah. He's still looking happy. Oh, don't worry about me. I'm all cozy in the paper. Have you got a smackerel of honey?
So it's now the next day. Apologies, we didn't end the vlog last night. We were just so tired, weren't we?
We got back from the amazing buffet at Sequoia Lodge, and then we just crashed watching the Princess Diaries.
Yeah, I think, did we talk about the buffet? I feel like we did last night, but we really enjoyed it. Would recommend, especially if you're staying at Sequoia Lodge. Yeah. But yeah, we will see you in the next one. Yeah, it's our last day today.
We're leaving the room. We've had an extra day than we.
Yes.
we thought we were going to have, so we're very, very grateful. But yeah, we're going to have one more sort of, well, morning into the afternoon.
Yeah.
And then we'll be heading to the Eurotunnel.
Yeah, so that will be in next time's vlog.
Yes.
So we will see you then. Thanks so much for watching.
If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe. Hit the bell button to be notified every time we upload. And we'll see you next time.
See you soon. Bye.
Toodle pipski.